How to hide thread replies with custom word filter. In this video, I will show you how can you easily hide thread replies with custom word filters. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to settings and privacy and scroll below to search for hidden words. After you find the interface, click on it and then you will see two options there: offensive words and phrases and custom words and phrases. All you need to do is turn on both the features. The first one will enable Instagram to hide the reply which contains certain word which according to the guideline of Instagram is offensive. And the second feature allows us to customize, add or delete certain words which according to us is offensive, and by adding those words, it will inform Instagram to hide those replies from thread application for our particular profile. And that's all. That is how easily you can hide thread replies with custom word filter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.